Hi, and welcome back to TK's Learning Lounge. Parents, is your child working on area and perimeter, but you don't remember the difference between the two or the correct formulas to use? I'm here to help you out today. So let's start with area. So let's say you want to put new tile inside of a particular room. In order to figure that out, you need to measure the inside of that particular shape or that space. So there's this basic formula that you can use, which is area equals length times width. So all I'm going to do is plug in my numbers. My shape has 5 feet. It's 5 feet by 8 feet. So I'm just going to plug in those numbers into my formula. So area equals 5 times 8. And 5 times 8 is going to give me 40. Now I'm going to make sure that when I write this, I do not forget two things. I need to make sure I put square behind it and whatever our unit of measurement is. In this case, it's feet. So my answer is going to be 40 square feet. So again, area is the measurement of the inside of the space. Now we're going to talk about perimeter. Now, let's say you have a backyard and you want to add fencing to that backyard. You would need to know the distance around that particular shape or space. So there's two ways you can do this. The first way is perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Now this works for rectangles because we know the opposite sides are going to be equal to each other. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with area. I'm just going to plug in my numbers into the formula. So 2 times 5 and 2 times 8. And now I have 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 times 8 is 16. And together that gives me a total of 26 feet. Now, perimeter also equals side plus side plus side plus side, or however many sides the particular shape has. In this case, we only have the 4 sides. So I'm just going to plug in all of my numbers. So I'm going to do 5 and 5. And then I'm going to plug in 8 and 8. And I'm going to get the same total. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 and 8 is 16. 10 is 16. It's still going to give me a total of 26 feet. So it really doesn't matter when dealing with a rectangle which formula you use. The side plus side works better for all the shapes that may have more than the 4 sides of a rectangle. If they have 10 sides, 8 sides, it doesn't matter. You're just adding each particular side up. So again, area is the inside of the shape and the perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So parents, I hope that was helpful for you today. As always, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And if you have any questions for me or any other strategies that you would like an explanation for, please feel free to drop it below in the comments and I will post a video helping you out with that. See you next time.